Hello my dear friends, today's lesson is adding and subtracting near multiples mentally. We're gonna use a range of strategies to add and subtract near multiples of 10, 100 and 1000. As you can see in these problems, we have one thing in common. We're adding near multiples of 10. So we can use my favorite way, which is the compensation method, or we can use other strategies such as partitioning and counting on. So I'm going to start from the other strategy, which is counting on and adding in stages, which is like partitioning. So we're splitting up the second number into tens and ones and adding the tens first to the first number. So 46 plus 30 equals 76. Then we're adding the ones. Now plus 8, we are going to count on 8 fingers or 8 numbers. So 76 plus 8 equals 84. Here's another example. 2,344 plus 4,503. We're going to add the thousands first, then the hundreds, then the units. 2,344 plus 4,000 equals 6,344. Plus 500 equals 6,844. Now plus 3 equals 6,847. Another strategy is to find the difference by we're gonna count on from the smaller number until in steps or in smaller chunks until we reach the bigger number. It's called finding the difference and counting on. So from 899, we need 1 to make it 900. Then we need 100 to make it 1000, and 1000 more to make it 2000s. Then we need only 27 to make it 2027. So now we're gonna add all these differences or numbers, and this is the difference. This is the answer of the subtraction. And the last strategy is my favorite. The most favorite one is compensation. In addition, when we want to make, or you can call it rounding, if you want to make 398 400, that's going to be so easier for us to add. And here we're adding 2 to this number to make it 400. Because it's addition, we're going to subtract 2 from the first number or from the total. And in subtraction, if we're adding to the second number, we have to add the same number to the first number or to the answer. Here we go to the workbook questions. Now in challenge 1, we're adding and subtracting many numbers. So 18 plus 9, make 9 become 10 by adding 1 and taking away 1 from the first number. So 17 plus 10 equals 27. 64 minus 19, add 1 to 19 and add 1 to 64 because it's subtraction. Now it's 65 minus 20, and that equals 45. In challenge 2, we're filling in the missing numbers by adding and subtracting mentally. So 9 plus 9, you already know that it equals 18. Now plus 19, we have to make this become 20 and take away 1 from 18. So 20 plus 17, that equals 37. 37 plus 28, add 2 here, take away 2 from the first number. So it's 35 plus 30. That equals 65. 65 plus 49. Add 1 to 49. Take away 1 from 65. 64 plus 50. And that equals 100. So 64 plus 50. That equals 114. Now, in question 2, we have to create and solve as many addition and subtraction problems as you can by choosing different pairs of cards. So, let's take one example. Here we have 4,002 plus 32. We can add this right away, like it equals 4,034. So you have to choose as many cards possible to add and subtract. That's it for today's lesson. Thank you so much. Goodbye.